In this video, we're going to look at how to install a Factory S full system onto a BMW S1000. While there are many ways to install a full system, today we're going to look at the method of assembling the system first before putting it on the motorcycle. You'll want to start by putting the primary headers into the secondary collectors. Once you have them slid in there, you can attach them using the included springs with the included spring puller. Once you have those connected and all springs are attached, it's not absolutely necessary, but you can use a lubricant on the female side of the secondary collectors in order to help them fit together a little bit easier, like so. You can then also use the included springs to secure them together. We can then transfer the system over to the bike and start by installing the collars and flanges onto the cylinder head of the motorcycle. You're going to reuse or use new stock exhaust gaskets along with the stock exhaust nuts. You don't want to tighten them completely just yet, as we're going to need a little bit extra play to make sure everything's lined up. Once you have them slid into the head, you can attach them again with the included springs and then tighten those exhaust nuts. There's also a mount on the middle of the exhaust system that mounts to the chassis of the bike. You can go ahead and install that now. We'll then slide the muffler on and attach it using the included springs. You can then slide the carbon clamp around the muffler and use the appropriate spacer, as there are several provided, along with the included hardware and flange nut on the back of the mounting hardware. This flange nut will keep it from rotating once the bike is running. Once you position the muffler where you want it, you can go ahead and tighten the muffler down. And that's the full installation of a LeoVince Factory S full system.